Flavio the Silva, the Portuguese speaking striker. Yeah, man, what a debut. I've been waiting for this guy. I don't wanna lie, I'm so happy. He's the only like it is even the man of the match. I don't even wanna like even argue and stuff. Now he's the man of the match. Yeah, buddy. 5 games. They didn't concede. Another clean sheet. What days to be like a Kosi fan? I don't wanna lie. What days to be a Kosi fan? I don't know, like because happy is when it's deliver money, happiness after happiness, or just keeping on like proving them wrong. Or just keeping on like proving them wrong. First of all, we signed Monya and they were like, nah, it is a free agent. What I want, it didn't even